What plants are in a Chameleon Montane forest? If you're curious about the lush and diverse plant life in the montane forests, where chameleons call home, you're in the right place. Let's take a journey through these unique ecosystems to discover the plants that thrive there. Imagine yourself standing at the foot of a mountain, surrounded by a dense forest. As you ascend, the climate changes and so does the vegetation. In the East African montane forests, for example, the lower altitudes are dominated by submontane and montane forests. Here, you'll find trees like Ocotea eusambarensis, Juniperus procera, Podocarpus falcatus, and Newtonia buchanii. These timber species create a dense canopy that shelters a variety of life. As you climb higher, the landscape shifts. The vegetation becomes more sparse, and different plants take over. At higher altitudes, bamboo like Arundinarium alpine becomes prevalent, along with trees such as Hagenia abyssinica. These plants are adapted to the cooler, wetter conditions found at these elevations. In the Ethiopian montane forests, another region where chameleons and other unique species live, the lower levels of the forest have a tall, closed canopy. Trees like Warburgia ugandensis, Croton macrostachius, and Syzygium guineense are common here. As you move up the mountain, the forest becomes even more dense and moist, with trees typical of eastern Africa, such as Anangeria and Olea, dominating the landscape. These forests are also home to endemic species, meaning plants that are found nowhere else. For instance, the Matinus heronensis tree is exclusive to the Harena forest in Ethiopia and is threatened by logging. The combination of these plants creates a rich and diverse ecosystem that supports a wide range of wildlife, including the chameleons that call these forests home. Each plant plays a vital role in maintaining the balance of this delicate environment. So the next time you think about chameleons, remember the intricate web of plant life that surrounds them in their montane forest habitats. These plants are not just background scenery, they are essential components of the ecosystem that make life possible for these fascinating creatures.